The legs. A beagle needs 2 legs, and both legs share the same way. We'll make one of them for demonstration. Working into a magic ring, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this. Make a loop around your middle finger and pinch the crossover. Insert hook into loop, yarn round hook, and pull up a loop. A magic ring is formed. In round 1, work 1 chain stitch, 6 single crochets, and 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Next, work 6 single crochets. That's 1 single crochet. Place a marker in the first stitch, sew the underneath of both loops of the V shape. 1 single crochet is done. Continue to work 5 more single crochets in the same way. Six single crochets are done. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 1 is done. In round 2, work 1 chain stitch, 6 increases, and 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 6 increases. Increase means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Place a marker in the first single crochet. Then work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. 1 increase is done. Continue to work 5 more increases in the same way. We need to work 2 single crochets in each stitch. There will be 6 increases in total in round 2. Six increases are done. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 2 is done. In round 3, start with 1 chain stitch, then work a set of 1 single crochet, 1 increase for 6 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Place a marker in the first stitch. Then work 1 increase in the next stitch. We need to work 2 single crochets in the same stitch. That's 1 increase. 1 single crochet and 1 increase are finished. 1 set is done. Keep working 5 more sets. We work 1 single crochet and 1 increase as 1 set. Finish 1 single crochet first. Then work 1 increase. The second set is down. Keep working 4 more sets. We work 1 single crochet and 1 increase as 1 set. Now the last set, work 1 single crochet first. Next, 1 increase. Six sets are done. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 3 is down. In round 4, start with 1 chain stitch, then through back loops only to work 4 single crochets, 5 decreases, and 4 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. A regular stitch, such a V shape, has 2 loops. The one close to us is the front loop. The other one far from us is the back loop. Then we'll work through the back loops only to finish the following stitches. Work 4 single crochets first. One single crochet through back loop only is down. Place a marker in the first stitch. Then work 3 more single crochets in the same way. The hook will only go through the back loops of the stitches. Four single crochets are done. Next, work 5 decreases. Because here we work through the back loops, so we need to change the way of making decrease. Insert hook through the back loop of the next stitch. Yarn round hook and pull up loop through the stitch. Insert hook through the back loop of the next stitch. Yarn round hook and pull up loop again. Yarn round hook and pull the yarn through all 3 loops and hook. That's 1 decrease. Method 2. Insert hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop through the stitch. Insert hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop through the stitch again. Okay, there are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn round hook, pull the yarn through all 3 loops on hook. That's 1 decrease. Work 4 more decreases in the same way. The second decrease is down. Continue to work 3 more decreases in the same way. Five decreases are done. Next, work 4 single crochets, sew back loops only. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. The hook needs to go through both loops of the V shape to make the slip stitch. Put the yarn tail inside the fabric. Round 4 is down.